Hello people, Anthony Waco here and welcome back to another video. Today is Thursday, boom, day is Thursday, and that means today is Throwback Thursday. Now we calling this, so Throwback Thursday, I might not do this all the time, I might do this, might not do this. I'm gonna show you who first video we did on YouTube. I'm gonna show you the first video we did on YouTube and the second video we did on YouTube. First of all, people, I know how some of y'all write long video. I'm in the podcast and I didn't want them head up. I'm trying to find out how, and I'm trying want to head through podcasting, find out how we can do a long video and second one, okay. Oh yeah, I'm adding, but I ain't okay that right now. Well people, let's go ahead and get started. First of all, here is a short video right here of the game I've been playing. It's a fun game, and it's a fun game. It's fun. They do have ad in the game. You can do it on your mobile device. It's fun. I'm gonna show it to you right now, me playing it. So here you go, right now.
Play Real Claw Machine. got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? Two trailer park girls go roundy outside, roundy outside.
这个游戏太好玩了。
That is a fun thing. I like it. I'll leave the link in the description in case you want to download it in a Google Play Store. Well, people, here is the title of the first two videos that I'm gonna let y'all I'm sorry, y'all. It's been a long morning. I can't call right. Here's the first two titles of the video. I'm gonna tell y'all that also will be in the description too if you want to check it out. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first video is give me 1 second though. Sorry about that. The first video I'm gonna show you is Lady Boy messing with Lady Doll. Here is that video right now. This is the beginning of the rest of my life.
We want to know how many views we can get. She's gonna be famous on YouTube.
Oh, why?
What?
I can hit.
Uh-oh. Head collision, head collision. Oh. Oh, tug of war. Oh. Oh, doggy tug of war. Interference. Ah. Oh, scooter. Oh, scooter.
With that video, people, I think that was kind of funny. That was actually the first video we did on YouTube. Whew. And yeah, you can go check it out. The link will be in the description if you want to check that video out. Second video, I'm gonna call you. Don't do this at home. I don't remember how we did that video, but don't do this at home. I guess you were playing with 3D or something. Oh yeah, let's check that video out right now. Yeah, he'll do that. Well, people, if you want more Throwback Thursday, put that like button so we know you're enjoying our video and stuff. And, yep. That's that all for now. Thank you for watching. If you want to download that game, the link will be in the description. here is the photo if you want to check it out. It's a fun game, y'all. I like it. They do have ad in the video. They have ad in the video where you can try to get coin. When you do something, you can try to get coin. You unlock something. So it is a fun thing to play if you're bored and stuff. Well, people, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe for more content. I'm out here. Boom.